brother.
Why is that door cracked open like that with an old-fashioned telephone? Yeah.
That's gotta be the room with the ironing board, and I think there's a sink in there.
I
But
thought that was the room with the ironing
That's the one with the safe.
no, that's got the safe in it, which I never
The
knew
safe
about.
and the desk
I
and
didn't
the
know there was a
computer.
safe in here.
A big safe?
Yes.
It's
Like
big
a
open
bank
thing.
safe?
It's
Yeah,
like
like a
this
big
tall.
safe.
It's up to my
Bigger than
chest.
our safe. It's big. I'm just.
Okay, so
So I
But then-
think we found your problem. It's on the other side of this door.
right. Okay.
That is definitely animal hair.
That looks like blonde hair.
Oh.
But, I mean, this is big. This is the best I have had.
String right here, just connecting into that 6-inch.